Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this simple Halloween wreath. So the first step is to take this styrofoam base and wrap it using wire burlap ribbon. Use 2 or 3 rolls of these if you have to. Once you're done wrapping the styrofoam base, now it's time to work on the decorations that we're going to put on the base using CDs. For this step, you're going to need a foam sheet, a CD, and a pencil. I'm using a color pencil so I can see it on the foam sheet. The next step is to use your CD and trace it onto the foam sheet. Once you're finished tracing, then cut out the traced shape. Once you're done cutting out the traced shape, it's time to glue this to the CD. I'm using Gorilla Contact Adhesive Clear Grip. It has a strong bond and it dries really fast. If you have a glue gun at home, that also works too. Another way you can attach the foam sheet to the CD is by buying an adhesive foam sheet where the back of the foam sheet is really sticky so you don't have to use glue. It just makes this craft so much easier. I couldn't find this for the rest of the colors except for white. All of the materials that I use are in the description box down below, so be sure to check them out. Alright, for this one, I'm making a black cat, so make some ears for your cat. Then, glue it on the edge of your CD. And that's it! Now, all that's left is to draw the eyes and all of the details using Posca markers. You should have 2 black cats, 2 skeletons, and 4 pumpkins where each 2 pumpkins have the same expression. The CDs are done. Now it's time to glue the CDs to the wreath. So this is what it should look like. After gluing the CDs, now it's time to glue the fake leaves to add a little bit of that autumn feel. This is what it looks like. Now this is extra. What I want to do is add this boo hanging from the wreath. So I glued the 3 individual wooden letters using the Gorilla Glue obviously. And each of the letters had this tab on the top. So I left that plastic tab so I wouldn't have to be gluing the ribbon. So what I did with the ribbon was I just tied it on the tab. And then, well, it could be easily attached to the wreath. all that's left is to customize the letters. So as you can see, the letters are done and they turned out amazing. I love the patterns and I love the colors. So I have these nails pinned on the side of the wreath. So this allows me to attach the letters to the wreath, and this is where that ribbon comes in handy. So what I did at the end of the ribbon was I left a little bit of a gap, and what the gap allows me is to hang it on the nails and also allowing it to be removable. That's it for now, guys. I'm done, so enjoy the review. Bye.